Hello everyone, welcome to Tala Food. Today let's cook my favorite stir-fried beef and onion. This dish is super easy to make. It costs us less than 30 minutes. And it's definitely a must-try dish. We cut one medium-sized onion to large strips. Take some time to separate the onions. This will make the stir-fry much easier later. We cut 3 green onions in the middle to separate the white and the green part. We'll use them in different time during the cooking. Mince 5 cloves of garlic. For this dish, we can use any cut of the beef, but I recommend tenderloin or strip loin. We slice the beef, thin or thicker according to your taste. We marinate the beef with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If your beef is tenderloin or strip loin, no need to wait. After mix the beef with the sauce, stir-fry it directly. But if you use other cuts of the beef, marinate for half an hour. 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, we put the onions and the white part of the green onions inside. Half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Don't stir fry the onions for a long time because here we just want to take out the spicy taste of the onion. A quick stir fry of the beef. Move the beef to the side and put the minced garlic. Stir-fry the garlic for 30 seconds and mix the garlic with the beef. In this way, the garlic will not get burned. Put the green part of the green onions and all the onions. Half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Some black pepper. Try it now if you need more salt. 50 ml of hot water. We don't need to put the cornstarch water here because before we already use the cornstarch to marinate the beef. When the sauce gets thick, the dish is ready. Let's enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.